In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a maintenance page in Wix. When you need to temporarily disable access to your site for updates or changes, a maintenance page is your best friend. It lets your visitors know that your site is undergoing some work and will be back soon, thus maintaining good user communication. Let's jump right into it. First, start by logging into your Wix account. Once you're in, you'll find yourself on the Wix dashboard. This is your control center, where you can manage everything related to your website. From here, locate the panel on the left-hand side. This is where you can access all the sections related to your site, such as pages, blog, media, and many more. Now, focus your attention on the Pages and Menu tab. With just a click here, you will see a list of all the pages currently on your website. This section is essential as it helps you navigate and manage your site's content effectively. Once you've clicked Pages and Menu, you should see an option to add a new page. Go ahead and click on this Add Page button. By doing this, you will be presented with several options, including different page templates. For our purpose today, we need to select a landing page template. Landing pages are crucial because they serve as special pages designed with a singular goal, such as showing maintenance in progress. In the options, you'll come across a particularly useful template named Down for Maintenance. This template is pre-designed for exactly this scenario and will save you time creating a maintenance notice from scratch. Select the Down for Maintenance page template and add it to your site. Adding this page will automatically place it into the hierarchy of pages within your website. Once you've added this template, Wix should automatically guide you to the page editor. This is where you can customize the maintenance page to fit your brand style or message. Feel free to add specific details or information here, like your estimated return time, or a custom message thanking your visitors for their patience. Remember, while the page is designed to communicate that your site is undergoing maintenance, maintaining a professional look and clear information is vital in retaining your audience's trust. And there you have it. In just a few quick steps, you've established a clear communication line with your audience by letting them know your site is only temporarily unavailable. This can help manage visitor expectations and maintain a positive relationship with your site's audience. That's all there is to setting up a maintenance page in Wix. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.